Welcome to Webster Setup, the first video of our PxPlus application development series. In this video, we will learn how to set up Webster, which will provide the development framework for our web application. To set up the Webster directory, we are going to use the PxPlus IDE. This is where we will build the application. To launch the IDE, use the shortcut that was created when you installed PxPlus. Scroll down to the Web Deployment section. Then select the Install Webster Plus option. We will define the directory in which we want to set up Webster Plus. We will use the directory MySQL on drive C for this demo. We will now define the port number and web server to use. For this demo, we will use the system default port of 8088 and use the PxPlus Easy Web Server. Pressing the Install button will create the Webster Plus directory structure and create a shortcut on the Windows desktop. This shortcut can be used to launch EasyWeb. In the Webster directory, the system will have created a data directory to hold files/tables, a prog directory for any programs, a pages directory for HTML pages, and a doc root directory where the actual web server will run. We can now launch our website using the shortcut provided by the install. Once running, we can use a browser to connect to localhost 8088. This completes the Webster setup on your system. Join us for the next video, where we will create the PxPlus data dictionary and define linkages to the MySQL database.